Welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today, I don't know what to make for dinner. I'm just kidding. I have a side that I've been wanting to try. Paul sent it to me, and so I'm gonna get started making that. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make. Let's get started. So it's from Betty Crocker, so I'll put the link in the description box, but it's called Bacon Cheddar Corn Casserole. Doesn't that sound so good? So it's gonna be pretty easy. I'll just get my ingredients ready and we'll do it together. Okay, so it says we'll need a 12-ounce bag of frozen corn. I only have 16, so that'll have to work. And a can of cream-style corn, some sour cream. We'll need a cup of that. That's a third of melted butter. Third of a cup. Okay, so you'll need one Jiffy mix, but I'm gonna be making this gluten-free, so I'm gonna be separating it into 2 pouches. Wish me luck. Okay, so then some bacon and some cheese, and that's it, you guys. So let's put it together. So we're just going to mix everything except for the cornbread mix. So I have my frozen corn here and the cream corn. I don't think I've had cream corn in forever. Usually when it's just like a corn recipe. What would you use cream corn for if it wasn't for like a cornbread or a corn souffle recipe? Would you put it in a soup? All right, so we're gonna do a cup of sour cream. I'm just gonna put the rest of this in because you know that's about a cup. And I'm gonna add that butter to it too. Just give it a good mix. We're gonna be putting this into a 9x13. And so make sure you've greased your pan. Oh, this is gonna be good. I can feel it. So this is just gonna be our side. What I'm making for dinner then is chicken salads. Very easy chicken salad. Okay, now I get to open this box and try to divide it. All right, so I'm just gonna get that. It's a honey cornbread mix, so it's gonna have hopefully a nice little sweetness to it. Mixing that with also the sweet corn. Oh, it's gonna be so good. So I've already sprayed my 9x13 pan, and I'm just going to, because I'm doing this, I'm gonna try to make this good for everybody. We're going to just use that gluten-free one, and I can't wait to try it. So I am also just keeping mindful of the boys, and I have like now a couple more boys that are asking me to try some more gluten-free eating. I went ahead and bought some kamut flour. Have you ever heard of that? So it is, there's a girl named, and her mother, they have an Instagram account and a company called The Food Nanny. And they sell this yummy, what looks super yummy, flour, and it is like ancient grains, and so it's, but you're supposed to be able to substitute like your regular flour for it. And so I am going to try making some of that yummy French bread with the kamut flour. It's it's not considered gluten-free, but it doesn't give you any side effects that gluten would normally give, like Paul. So we're gonna try it. It wasn't cheap. It was like $18 to get it shipped to me. So we'll see how it goes, but if it's something that will make everybody happy to eat bread from time to time, it might be worth it to put it in the budget. So I'll keep you posted on that. We're just gonna put this in, spread it out. I have my oven going at 350 degrees. We're gonna cook it for about 35 to 45 minutes. I'll check it after 35 and see if it needs to go a little bit longer. But we're just wanting it to be golden brown. I'm gonna spread that out and get that in the oven. So it covers that 9x13 so well. So we're just going to put that right in, and we'll see it in about 35 minutes. That'll give me enough time to straighten up and get going on that salad. I want to let you in on a little tip that I have. I've cooked a whole bag of chicken breast in my crock pot. I did it this morning. It was ready about lunchtime, so I just pulled it out. I wanted it to cool down. And so about half of this I'm going to put in a baggie for tomorrow's dinner. We'll make some casserole or something. But the other half is gonna be for our chicken tonight. Let me know if you have like some shortcuts in the kitchen, and let me know some really also your go-to quick and easy dinner down below. I think we could all learn from each other, right? So let me start chopping this up and putting it in a little bowl, a little dish as well. So I decided that I would start with the fixings for the salad, and then I'll chop the chicken last to put on top. So it'll be so good that way. So we're gonna get this going and we're gonna do it in hyperspeed. The last thing that I like to add to my salad is apples. They are so good on a salad. The kids love it. And I will also put things on the side like this so everybody can just make their own and how they would like as preference. And then I'll just put chicken on the salad. So I will put, first I'll put these soaked in some lemon juice and water just so they don't brown fast. But then I'll put them on the plate as well when it gets closer to eating time, which will be in about, oh, I don't know, 20 minutes. Oh yeah. So I just have some cooked bacon already, so I'm just gonna crumble it up and get it ready for when the cornbread comes out, which should be pretty soon. So I'll have this to put on top with some cheese. Oh, it's gonna be so good. All right, I just took it out. It's nice and hot. Ooh, hot. So we're going to put now some cheese on top of this and some of that bacon. So what I did is I cooked it for actually 50 minutes, so a little longer than it said. And we're gonna put it back into the oven. So when it said to put it back in the oven, it said somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes. Ooh, you know what? I think I'm gonna get some more cheese because I think it deserves it. Okay, let's give it a little bit more. It's supposed to have a cup. But I say, however much makes you happy. All right, so now we're gonna put some of this crumbled up bacon on here. Gonna spread it out. Oh, big pieces, big pieces. Try to get them all broken up. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Now, it's not like cornbread. It's kind of got like a softer like texture to it. Okay, back in the oven it goes. Look how good this is, you guys. This is like, mwah! I can just smell how good it is. That bacon, the corn, it's just, I can't wait to taste it. But I'm gonna have to wait a few minutes to let it set, and that'll give me enough time to start setting up our salads. Okay, here's my dinner. It looks and smells so good. So I'm gonna try it with you right now for the very first time. What if it's not good? No, just kidding. That is so good, you guys. That's so good. Delicious. You're gonna love it. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know down below, like, what are your easy go-to dinners? And then maybe you can even put some directions on how to make it so that we could all learn from each other. So have a wonderful evening, rollers, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.